Here at CP Feeds, we made the commitment to a food safety program, both safe food, safe feed. The first thing we started with was with a HACCP program, and a HACCP program looks at every phase of feed manufacturing, from where you buy raw ingredients from, where they come from, and how they're delivered to the farm.
We implemented a purchase order program. We make a purchase order number for each load of feed that's ordered, and then that PO gets sent out to the receiving department, and they match up the PO with the load coming in. That ensures us that we're getting the proper feed, first of all, and we're getting it from the right supplier.
When we get a recipe in and we enter it in one system, we have a second person or third person check it as well too for complete accuracy.
The computer will tell us how much we have to only put in. We have our tablets, we scan the placards on the pallets to make our bag tags, to scan our bag tags into the computer. It's a very accurate way of adding ingredients into the batches of feed now.
We have a quality assurance schedule that we go by. Once a month we need to take a sample of anybody's feed, send it in, get the results back, make sure everything is up to specs.
About a year and a half ago, we began to mark every bag that comes into the mill with a small placard that you can scan with a gun. And that registers on a computer in our office, and we can keep track of our inventory better. And we can also keep track of what farmer gets what product according to the lot code. So if there are any problems, we can track them down easier.
After I'm done completely unloaded at the farm, I always go up on top. There's a big air wand up there, and I blow out all the hoppers, make sure everything's all cleaned out. You don't want to give somebody else's feed to somebody else. That's the main point.
We've really spent time and energy to upgrade systems, processes to not only maintain the quality, but to bring it onto the farm at a very reasonable price.
All these steps that we take to make sure that the farmers get their right feed is because it's their feed and it's made for their cows and their cows only. Somebody else's feed is going to be totally different than the next guy's feed, and it might not go right with their cows.
I was a farmer at one time, and I always expected my feed to be mixed properly. I feel that's very important to the farmer because they want their low end of cost to get their most production out of their cows.
The most important thing with our customers is trust, that they can come to us for anything, whether it's a bag of hog feed for a fair project or a full load of protein. They know that they're going to get a quality product every time.
Without the customer, we wouldn't be here. Every single truck that goes into your yard illustrates that and reaffirms that that's why we are here, committed to you guys as a customer.